Hello guys, I'll show you how to work how to use a multimeter. This is an analog multimeter. My name is Samant, and I will show you how it works and which all parts are used for this. Now this is the minus or common one, which is used for negative, and these all are the positive ones. These from here to here, these are the positive ones. The last one is for alternate current, means main. Now normally in it is 250 to 220 volts, and in DC you'll get in 10 to 100 1000 DCVs, and in this one is the milliamperes. This one is counted milliamperes as DCMVMA. So it's DC milliamperes. It's from 0.25 to 250, and these are used for checking the ohms or something like resistance or diode. And this one is common, as told, and this adjuster or knob is used for adjusting this two, the current of from this two. We'll get a reading from this, and we have to short. When we short this, we'll get a reading something, and we can adjust it. Now you'll get these things. Commonly you'll get these things, and these wires for connecting it. So I'll place a positive wire in and any one of these, and the negative wire in any one of this, and was normally a common one. So I'll short this, and I'll short this as my this works. And when I adjust, use this knob, it adjusts this, it adjusts this, and see, and I make it full, it's full. Now I'll make it half, it's a half. So this is the use, and how to check out the current from transformer. So I'll get a transformer, and I'll show you how to do it. So this is a transformer. This is a transformer, and the yellow ones are the outputs, and the red ones are the input. So I have placed a pin plug over here, and this is the light which is indicates the current is placed over here or not. This transformer, if we joint blue wire, if we, in case by mistake or something, if you placed main current from yellow wires or output, a transformer will get seized. So be careful for that. This how to check this current, how to check this having how much current or how much output. I'll show you. So there is no this one is the output plug, and this I have to check it how much current is giving. So and this I have to blow this bulb, as this is a 12-volt bulb, and this I have placed a holder on it. So how to check it? So first of all I'll open this. And I'll place my camera properly, and I'll do it. I've placed my camera, and this is my holder. I'll open this, and these two connection is done over here, and I'll plug this transformer on my main. So I'll plug it, place this, and this one will be glowing. So I'll start this thing, and see, this is glowing. So this is glowing. So I'll go directly to my modes. So this is having a current. Now I can be touching it because it transformer is used for converting current from AC to DC. So how to measure it? Now we'll not check the current from AC DC. We'll check it from AC. Now how to check it? We'll do it on 50, because I don't know how much current. So I don't want to make my multimeter or something like seize or anything. So I'll place it on higher resistance, and I'll place one end on positive and another end on negative. We can do anything, as this is a transformer, they don't have any socket or something, so we can do that way. So I place my one end on my positive one and another one on for negative, and I'm getting a reading. So this is I placed and I'm getting a reading. It is around 12 volts. This is around 12 volts, and so I know this is giving 12 volts to me. So I'll use this. I can use this transformer. So when we check it on DCs, we can't get it because it is in AC. So we'll not get a current. We'll try it, but we'll not get a current. Anything. I placed, and this is not working. See, I have placed here. See, it is placed here. This is AC, and I'm not getting it. This. In case I change this into 50, I change this into 50, and it is giving me a reading. So now I can use this for my bulb, and I'll check it. It's working or not. So I'll remove this, and I place my camera. First, for checking, we must use this type of testers. These are testers used for testing the current. Now I know that this one is working on 12 volts, that's why I'm touching it. But for checking it, better is to test with this. If you are getting a red thing, or you know. Now here is not getting something, so I can touch it. It is I have touched it because I know it is 12 volts, but I want to show you how to do it. So I'll cover it. I'll take this bulb. I'll take this bulb and I'll just press it. Here it's working. So this is working of the and how to use this. Thanks for watching.